Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you 3 kurta sets that I got from Amazon. So I got them from 3 different brands. They are like very popular brands and I wanted to try like festive outfits from them, and so I got these 3 sets. The best thing about suit sets is that you can pair the individual pieces with other pieces and create your own mix and match custom outfit. So the 3 outfits that I'm going to show in this video are very festive appropriate. Like you can wear them to your Diwali parties or wear them to any Indian function. And since the festive season is already here and the wedding season is also coming up, and if you like them you can try out these sets. I will have all the links in the description box. So if you want to know what all I got, please keep on watching. The first thing that I got is this 3-piece Sharara set from W. So it comes with a dupatta, a pair of really nice Sharara pants and the kurta. So this is the kurta, it's a short one. This is how it looks. It's in a mustard yellow color and it has a round neck with a border. It also has this small floral print all over. It has elbow sleeves and it also has this border on the bottom. It comes a little above my knees and this is how it looks. The back is absolutely plain. This is how the kurta looks like, and it also comes with a matching pair of Sharara pants. The Sharara pants are like gorgeous. This is how it looks. It is in a similar print and it also has this printed fabric attached at the bottom, and this is how it looks. It's got a really nice flare. I also really like the combination of mustard yellow with this powder blue and pink. It also comes with a matching net dupatta with the same printed border. This is how the dupatta looks like, and this is how the set looks on me. It is such a gorgeous set. It doesn't have a lot of embellishments or it's not too loud, but it has like a little bit of a festive feel to it. Maybe because of the color and the print. For jewelry, I'm wearing the most beautiful peach meenakari and kundan choker necklace set that I have, and I'm also carrying this gorgeous pearl clutch bag, and this is the finished look. I really like the way this look turned out. Let me know what you think. You can wear this to any small functions like Diwali parties or any other Indian function, and you can also dress it up or dress it down. You can wear like a grand necklace with it and make the look more festive. So that was the first kurta set from W. Next I got this 2-piece kurta set from Biba. It comes with a kurta and a jacket, and somehow I thought I would need a pair of straight pants. Let me just talk about the set first. So this one is from Biba. It's in a very pretty rust orange color, and this is how the kurta looks like. It's in a cotton material with 3/4 sleeves, and it has buttons in front. Like you can see, it is also flared from the waist. It's a very pretty color. You can wear this on its own or pair it up with the jacket that it comes with. So this is the really gorgeous jacket. It's a sleeveless long cape or jacket. It has this golden foil print in front, and it also has these frill details. It has a really nice flare and these tie-up details in front. It's a very beautiful jacket, and you can also style it with other kurtas or other clothing items. This kurta is actually really long and you do not need to wear any like leggings or any bottom wear with it, but I somehow thought this kurta will be a little short, so I also ordered these rust color straight pants to go with it, but I do not need to wear the pants because the kurta is long enough, so I do not need these pants with it. But nevertheless, these are like really nice rust color straight fit pants with pockets on the sides. This is from the brand Jaipur Kurti. I have tried their straight pants before and I quite like them, so I ordered another one. and the color is also a really good match. Like these pants look like they have come with this set. To style it, I am just wearing these gorgeous green animal work earrings, and I'm carrying this emerald green clutch bag to complete the look. So this is the finished look. Let me know if you want to see a video where I style this outfit in different ways. Let me know if you want to see a video like that. I'll love to make it for you. The last set that I have is the one that I'm wearing. It's a 3-piece set again. It comes with this really gorgeous kurta with 3/4 sleeves and a V neckline, and it also comes with matching straight pants. The kurta and the pants are plain, and it also comes with this gorgeous dupatta. It has this floral print all over with these booties and zari work borders. This dupatta can be paired with so many different outfits. It's a very comfortable material. It's not 100% cotton, but it's a very comfortable material. You might feel a little hot in it, so this set is like really ideal for the winter season. This color, I don't know what to call it. It's like a grayish brown or a taupe color. I think this is what it's called, and it's a very gorgeous set. I do not own anything in this color, and I really like it. And since the kurta is so plain, you can style it in so many different ways. You can really play around with the accessories, wear chokers or long necklaces with it. Anything will look nice because it's such a nice neutral color. So to style it, I have paired it up with my most favorite choker necklace. It's a maroon beaded multicolor choker necklace that I own, and it comes with these matching earrings, and I'm carrying this golden metallic clutch bag to complete the look. You can also carry a maroon dupatta with this outfit to make it more festive. This is by the brand Ux Couture. If you remember, I had got a green lehenga skirt from them. I had styled it in a video. I'll link it above. So this one was the last set that I got from Amazon. That is it. These were the 3 things that I got from Amazon. I'll have the links in the description box along with the links to my social media. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, I'm sure you're gonna love other videos on my channel. You can check them out right here. And that is it. I'll see you really soon in my next one. Bye.